This is my latest project, a flexible camera arm that can be mounted on a wall and the ceiling of my workshop as well. To mount the camera on the arm, I simply screw an adapter into the threaded insert of my camera. If this is done, you can insert the camera in the quick release of the head unit. This connection allows us to turn the camera in any direction we need. The whole arm sits on a French cleat holder that can be placed in any position of my workshop. The special profile of the rail allows locking the holder in place. We start with a sheet of 12mm thick birch plywood. First, I will cut off 8 strips that make the sheet more manageable. The turning mechanism of the head unit and the locking mechanism of the French cleat holder needs an arc slot. To mill that geometry safely, I let the rest of the sheet in one piece. That gives us a bigger working surface for the rotor and the possibility to clamp the material to the workbench. I locate the center of the arc by using my drawings and the cutting list, drill the center hole and mill the arcs by using a rotor circle jig. I continue the rough cut by splitting the rest of the sheet according to the max cut layout. For repeatable parts with a complex shape, I make a rotor template by printing a 1:1 drawing and glue it on a scrap piece of laminated flooring. With this method, the 8 flange plates of the arm are milled in a few minutes. Using all 4 holes to attach the template to the part is not necessary, but useful to mark the positions for drilling. The clamping mechanism works with a sphere that is clamped between 2 conical geometries. The cone is made by using a 45-degree rotor bit. I pre-drill a pilot hole where the bearing of the bit can plunge in. Just a few more steps of sawing, filing and drilling, and the wooden parts of the arm are pretty much done. Because I'm an absolute genius in IT stuff, I accidentally delete the scenes of pre-assembling the head unit and the holder. Great, Tony. As you can see, everything is glued together and the critical joints are supported by screws. In a few days I will upload a second video where we produce the metal parts and assemble the whole arm. We also talk about a design issue and try to fix it. See you soon.